If You Give a Bird Some Worms by Olivia. If you give a bird some worms, he will want to fly to burn off the calories, so you will need to get his leash.
When you are flying him, he'll get thirsty, so you'll need to stop at the park drinking fountain.
When you're done at the drinking fountain, he will see the swings and want to play on them. When he is done playing, he'll tell you he is tired, so you need to go back home. After he is done with his nap, he'll want to go watch some TV.
When he's done watching TV, he will want to play soccer outside. When he is playing soccer, he will remember his foot hurts, so he'll want to go to the doctor.
When he is at the doctor's office, he will want a cast. When he gets a cast, he will want everyone to sign it with a yellow marker. The yellow marker will remind him of lemonade, and he'll want a glass. And more than likely, when he's drinking his lemonade, he'll want some worms to go with it.